If you're poor, you'll always be poor.
That's really hard for people to understand.
Yeah, the money will disappear that fast. Just like most pro athletes, they make millions of dollars, and 65% are bankrupt 5 years later. It's because they come from poor families.
That clip showed your struggle, broke, stressed, and watching your wealth vanish in the 9-to-5 grind. But what if you could have this instead? Why does your wealth keep vanishing? It's not bad luck. It's the traps you don't see. While some build fortunes, others drown in debt. Let's uncover the strategies that can lift you out of the daily grind and into financial freedom, so you can seize your wealth before it's gone for good. A key reason your wealth vanishes is not knowing the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets bring money in, like rental properties, stocks, or businesses that generate profit. Liabilities take money out, like mortgages, car loans, or credit card debt that drain your funds. Many think their home is an asset, but if it's not earning income, it's a liability in disguise. Focus on building income generators, real estate, dividend stocks, side hustles, while cutting expenses. Look at your finances, separate assets from liabilities, and shift your focus to wealth building. Here's a game changer. Stop working for money. Let it work for you. Trading hours for a paycheck caps your potential. Break free with real estate. Rental units give steady cash flow. Start a business that runs without you, turning ideas into profit. Invest in dividend stocks for passive income. A single salary keeps you in the 9-to-5 grind. Spread your income streams. Start with a small investment in a rental property or stocks. Reinvest the gains and let time build your wealth. Ready to seize your wealth? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's master your money together. Financial ignorance is a silent wealth killer. Schools don't teach money management, leaving you vulnerable. Boost your knowledge. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or Think and Grow Rich to build a foundation. Listen to finance podcasts for expert insights. As Robert Kiyosaki says, it's not just about knowing, it's about doing. Take action. Open a brokerage account, test a side gig, or start an online venture. Stay updated with market trends and take courses to sharpen your skills.
First of all, let's go back to what is financial education. It's not get a job, work hard, save money, and invest in a well-diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. That's not it. The financial industry is two things, debt and taxes.
The book starts and it says, lie number 1, saving money will make you rich.
Yeah, it never will. You know that.
We're all taught that as kids.
Yeah, because they can print it. Why would you save it and why would you work for it if they can print it and faster than you can work for it? And number 2 is they keep dropping the interest rates on it.
The rat race traps you in a work-spend-repeat cycle. Consumerism tempts you with distractions, but you can break free. Track every dollar, cut non-essentials like unused subscriptions, and invest first. Set aside money for savings or stocks before spending. Don't upgrade your lifestyle with every raise. Keep expenses low. A wealth mindset builds a sustainable future over short-term thrills. Start by investing 10% of your income and watch it grow into financial security. Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant shows the path to freedom. Move from employee or self-employed, where you trade time for money, to business owner or investor, where systems and assets earn for you. If you're an employee, start a side business. Sell online or consult. Invest in stocks. Buy shares in a solid company. These steps build a ladder out of the 9-to-5 into passive income and control. Want more tips to seize your wealth? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a step toward financial freedom. Wealth requires calculated risks, not reckless gambles. Research investments like real estate or stocks before jumping in. Find mentors who've succeeded. Start small. Invest $500 in a mutual fund or a fixer-upper property.
The first business was me going out, talking to companies. I was cold calling them. businesses around America saying, hey, I have another way to sell things. I want to show it to you. I'm saying I'm going to be in town. I'm coming to town.
Okay.
And they don't know who I am. I have no name. Hey, my name's Grant. I'm coming to town. I'd like to meet you. I'd like to show you something. I'm not interested. Click. I'd still go see the guy. That's when I really became a salesperson. I'm 31 to 33 years old, and I'm banging the phone 3 days, and then I show up in a city.
Okay. That's what makes a salesperson, because it's cold calling and then showing up.
It's a
getting
cold
through the
call
door.
followed up by a visit. I called you the other day. You told me not to come by. Appreciate what you said. I just want to introduce myself. And the reason I'm in town, and then I'd go into my pitch. I'm not interested. I know you're not interested. How could you be? You don't have enough information to be interested. Like, that's where I learned to sell.
Learn from failures. Use setbacks to improve. Fear of loss stops many, but risks are opportunities for growth. Begin with a low-stakes real estate deal, learn, and scale up as you gain confidence. Paying yourself first builds a wealth foundation. Prioritize savings and investing over bills. Automate transfers to investment accounts. Treat it like a must-do. Budget with savings as your priority, adjusting spending around it. Live below your means. Choose a modest home over a flashy one. This habit turns a $50 monthly investment into thousands over time. Start today and let discipline create a growing safety net. The wealthy use tax laws to keep more money. Use business deductions. Write off travel or equipment for your side hustle. Tap real estate perks. Claim depreciation on rentals to lower taxes. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs to shield gains. It's a legal strategy to reinvest more. Learn tax codes or consult a pro to turn obligations into opportunities. Build systems for consistent income. Automate investments with recurring contributions to index funds, hire property managers for rentals, and streamline businesses with teams and tech. This scales your earnings without tying you to a desk. Start with a $100 monthly stock purchase, add a managed rental property, and watch your income grow while your workload shrinks. Your mindset can make or break your wealth. Embrace a growth mindset. See financial setbacks as lessons, not failures. Focus on solutions. Turn a bad investment into a better strategy. Surround yourself with supporters who cheer your goals. When faced with a setback, analyze it, learn, and rebuild. Each step strengthens your financial resolve. These 10 steps show why your wealth is vanishing and how to seize it back. I've been there, watching money slip away, but these strategies turned it around. Start today, and you'll build a life where you're the boss, not the system. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.